The MacBook Pro is starting to gain life again. What once dominated laptops for its optimization started to lose steam until last year with the announcement of the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now all of this seems fine and great until we realize that Apple has not come out with an upgraded version to its 13-inch model. But some rumors suggest that this might be changing, and in fact, changing very soon. Some reputable sources are saying that this new MacBook Pro will be releasing this year. Boy, am I really excited for this. I currently own a 2017 model of the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and let's say it's outdated. I couldn't afford it then, and I still can't afford it now. If I want to be a videographer, I'm going to need some better equipment, and this definitely has my attention. The sad thing though is that this is not official news. Of course, with reputable sources, we have a good reason to believe what they say is actually true. What they are saying is that this new 13-inch MacBook Pro could be coming out as soon as next month, potentially even pushed to June. And this new MacBook Pro might not be 13 inches, but instead 14 inches. But will it be worth it? Yeah. You see, if they make this 14-inch, supposedly, with love and the attention to the consumers like they did with the 16-inch, this piece of hardware is going to be amazing and impress a lot of people. Upgrades to all the hardware with 2020 CPUs, SSD, GPU upgrade, and the highly beloved scissor switch keyboard. Sadly, that's all we know right now about this 14-inch MacBook Pro. But I'm very excited. If you like this video, then I hope you have a fantastic day. And if you didn't like this video, well, I also hope that you have a fantastic day as well. Just slightly a little bit less than fantastic though, just slightly. All right, that's all you have for me. Okay, bye.